Hi everybody, it's Miss D again on a walk along the bike path, and I am so excited to show you this beautiful flower that I found. It's a wildflower because we find it out in the wild, and it's something very special. Can you count how many petals it has? It has 1, 2, 3, and then can you see the leaf? The leaf is 1, 2, 3. It is called a trillium. Trillium. What other thing do you know and play with that starts with that tr sound? Tricycle? And how many wheels does a tricycle have? Stop and think about the bikes we ride at school. They have 1, 2, 3. So a trillium and tricycle both have 3. And something else really special about the trillium, friends, is the state wildflower for Ohio. So it's very special if you live in Ohio. It's our special flower. But while we're here, friends, I'm going to show you a couple other things that are right here. See this right here? The bloom isn't on it anymore. What does that look like to you? It's got 2 halves, doesn't it? It's called a split leaf, and it has a really pretty wildflower that blooms a little bit earlier. And you see these big, what do they look like to you? These big leaves. Do they look like umbrellas? I think they look like umbrellas. But they are called mayapples. And you might see them if you go over to Rising Park and look around. There might be some over there. And friends, I've got another flower that's kind of purpley or bluish purple looking. That is called phlox. Phlox. What does that rhyme with? Can anybody think of a word that rhymes with phlox? What about box? Can anybody think of anything else? What about fox? Can anybody see if you can think of something that rhymes with phlox? All right, friends, Miss D will see you another day, and until then, I wish you well.